What types of jobs and people can I find on Onlinejobs.ph?
So, I mean, the possibilities are basically endless, where like anything that can be done online can be done in the Philippines. So I have 24 people that work full time for me, from like super talented programmers, PHP programmers, to like server admin people, or designers, like web design or user interface design or graphic design, or like webmaster type people, HTML, CSS. Those are technical people. I have a video editor, admin people. So like people that manage our back end tasks for a website, or I have customer support people, or um, I have content writers, I have social media managers, I have a project manager, I have an HR person. I know people that hire like data entry. We have some data entry. We have like audio editors. I already said a video editor. I'm trying to think of what else do people get done. Oh, so like I have a guy that manages my son. This is getting crazy.
He manages your son? Whoa, whoa, whoa,
No,
whoa.
no, no. My son, when he was 11, started a business selling stuff on Amazon, right? And this is just, right? He's entrepreneurial, right? So I have a guy in the Philippines that runs that business. Like he manages the listings, he manages the pay-per-click, he manages the inventory. I've had people in the past that made phone calls. I don't right now, but I have. You can find people to make phone calls, inbound, outbound, whatever. Like appointment setters or managing calendar, or like realtors will have like a document processor. Man, the possibilities are endless. If it's something that can be done online, you can hire someone to do it.